Hello YouTube, MFC here, and I'm back again in the video. So there's breaking news coming in, so let's get straight into it. So, Real Madrid president Florentino Perez ready to let James Rodriguez seal Manchester United transfer. So here he is. So let's get straight into this news. So, Real Madrid are seriously considering Manchester United transfer to target James Rodriguez's future at the club, reports say. The La Liga giants have been unimpressed with the Colombian's form this season, and if his performances do not improve, he will be sold. Real president Florentino Perez is aware of James' talent and the media pull, but on the pitch he has been disappointing. That has left Perez and his advisors ready to sell him in the summer, according to Spanish outlet Sport. Madrid know that they would reap huge financial benefits by selling him, and only a handful of clubs in the world would be able to afford him. And Manchester United are known to be keen to land a marquee name in the summer. So, James Rodriguez plays for Real Madrid, as you all know. I think he's a great talent. I mean, his stats prove it. He's been amazing for Real Madrid. Even though in the last couple of games he has been, below par. But he has got talent. He just needs to focus. And I would love for Manchester United to sign James Rodriguez. I mean, if the rumours are saying that Mourinho is ready to sell Juan Mata. So if Juan Mata does go, obviously I don't want him to, because I love him. His personality is amazing. He's a good player. He's been playing good for us in the composition. But if reports are true that Mourinho would sell him, if we do sell Mata, I mean, James Rodriguez would be the perfect replacement. He could slot straight into the camp position and just, start where Mata left off. Hopefully Juan Mata don't go. I don't want him to go. I just love Juan Mata. But Mourinho, you never know. But James Rodriguez, he's a good player. I would love to see him at Manchester United. Love to see him in the shirt. And he would potentially, hopefully be amazing for us. So anyways, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.